Hello! Thank you for registering in Vsesvit AI. You have already received bonus tokens, so let me show you where you can spend them. Image generation. Create creatives, logos, and realistic images in a few clicks. Choose the style and size. For example, creative is better suited for generating creatives, while natural is for images of people. Save the finished result in a format convenient for you with the option to choose quality. Article generation. Generate blog articles, informational articles, review articles, and many other types using SEO optimization. The neural network parses information on your topic or keyword, learns, and creates a knowledge base. The ready content is immediately adapted for your audience. The structure is generated, and all this in just a few clicks. Landing page generation. Get a ready-made landing page in just a few minutes. Describe the topic or keyword for which you want a landing page. Write a prompt. Choose the language and country. Using the example of article generation, our neural network will analyze information on your topic on the internet and create a ready-made landing page with images, descriptions, and blocks. Smart Tables automatic product descriptions for online stores. Just upload your table with specifications and get a unique description for each product. To continue using the product, top up your balance with a bank card or cryptocurrency. You can choose a package offer for a fixed amount or enter an amount yourself. If you want to learn more about how to use our AI generator, click the tutorial button below. And if you have any questions, our support is always nearby. Welcome to Vsesvit AI.